We discuss the experiment of measurement of torque using strain gauge. Now we will discuss the aim of the experiment to measure the applied torque using torque measuring setup, apparatus secured, torque measurement equipment, then it is stand with attachment of lever. Okay, this stand will be aided inside the strain gauge and also different weights. Okay, so this weights, it should be an 100 gram. Okay, so we have to need the 100 gram into kilo, change into kilogram. So 100 divided by 1000, that is 0.1 kilogram for each weight. Okay, that is a apparatus record of this experiment. Then the procedure to check the connections made and switch on the instrument by rocker switch at the front of the panel. Then allow the instruments on position for 10 minutes for initial warm up. So adjust the potentiometer in front of panel till the display reads, it should be the minimum value of 0. Then apply the load to the fulcrum arm by adding dead weights in steps of 100 gram. In steps of 100 gram, the instruments reads the load arm sensors and display through the LED. Whatever we can get the values, we noted from that indicating reading. So finally we can reading can be tabulated. This is the table of this experiment. Actual reading, so already we know that the weight of the weight is one weight which should be an 100 gram. So we can take it as 0.10, 0.20 up to 5 or 6 readings. We have to take it as a reading from that original weight of the weight of the so this is the weight of the experiment. Each one we have 0.1 kilogram. So up to we are considering taking the reading 6. So up to 0.60 we have to consider the reading from that. So indicating reading. So how will added the kilogram? So at the time indicating reading will shown here, will be changed the display. Okay, so whatever we can get, that you have to note it from the indicating reading. Okay, that is the error. Okay, so error means first we ensure that torque measurement setup for 0.00. So now I added for the 100 gram of weight to that strain gauge attachment. Okay, so I will apply for that 0.1 kilogram. So we'll give the value. Now I added this weight 100 gram, so 0.1 kilogram per meter for the strain gauge weighting here, weight here. So I will put the strain gauge of the weight 0.1 kilogram. So directly to load will be shown at the indicating reading. The 0.09 is the indicating reading. Okay, so this is the tabulations we have filled for the first reading. So 0.1 for the actual reading. So indicating reading is 0.09. Okay, so the error calculation here are mentioned by the model calculation. So error kilogram meter measured value minus true value. Measured value already we know that the actual reading is measured value 0.1, then indicating reading is 0.09. so the error is 0.01 kilogram meter. Okay, then percentage of error. So error is equal to error divided by true value. So equals of 0.01 by 0.09 into 100. So finally we can get as 11.11% of this first reading. So model graph of this experiment. So graph is drawn by the for actual reading with indicating reading. So actual reading mentioned is x direction and indicating readings mentioned as the y direction. So we can get as the values are trajectory improvement from the graph. Okay, so finally we can get as the result error and percentage of error. Thus the applied torque is measured, torque measuring setup.